What's going on, my Stacker fam? Now today I got some pretty cool stuff to show you. This method you can make $14 over and over again. It's really easy, you don't need any experience, and pretty much anybody can do this. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can start making money online. So go and smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link, yep, that one just down there in the description below, and I'll send that straight to you. So, how are we going to start making this $14 over and over again? Well, it's actually really simple. We're going to be using two websites. First one is iWriter and the second one is Fiverr. Now, I will leave the links for these down in the description below so you can go through and check them out. So, iWriter. What is iWriter? Well, you can get articles, blog posts, press releases, ebooks, Kindle books, Amazon reviews, cover letters, and more on this website, and they're actually pretty cheap to do so. Then you can actually sell these services over on Fiverr, mark up your services, and keep the profit. So what we are essentially doing is just arbitrage. I love arbitrage. I've spoken about different ways you can do arbitrage on my channel before. One of the main ones is eBay dropshipping. If you want to learn more about eBay dropshipping, I'll link a card right there in the right hand corner if you want to go and check that out. But with this video, this is all about writing articles, so let's dive a little bit more into this. So as you can see here, this person, I will be your content writer for articles on any topic, and he charges $20 to do so. So if we check out his gig, we can see he does up to 500 words on any topic. This is just the basic version for $20. And he actually has 6 orders in the queue. So how much would it actually cost to have a 500 word article written over on iWriter? So if we go over, we can have a little look. So let's just go back there for a minute. Let's go to pricing. Now, let's scroll down. So we have the standard, the premium, the elite, and elite plus. Now, I'd stay away from standard. I have used standard in the past, and those articles aren't very good at all. The premium is actually pretty good. So, 500 word article would only cost you $6. So, if you're charging $20 just here for an article, then it only costs you $6 to have that outsourced. That's $14 right there. Bam, job done, and you can do this over and over again. And the good thing about this is as you start making more sales, as you start getting more reviews, then you can start upping your prices, and then you can also start getting even better quality articles written over here on iWriter. Now, top tip for this is when you buy an article over here on iWriter and put in all your customers' information, you need to also put in or write that this will be run through Copyscape. Now, Copyscape is it just tells you whether or not their article that they've written has been cloned or been taken anywhere else online. It's just to make sure that that article is unique. Okay, so always remember to put or write that this will be run through Copyscape. Now, this is really easy to do. So once you've made a sale over on Fiverr, you're going to get your customers' information on what they want their article written about. They're going to give you all that good stuff. Then all you do is take that information and give it and outsource it to your writer over on iWriter. So this is real simple method to making $14 over and over again. And believe it or not, quite a lot of people do this. Now, what I suggest you doing when writing your first gig, just go through other people doing similar things to you, like this bloke. Have a look at their description. Don't completely copy it, but model your description on their description. Okay? Find 5 people selling similar stuff to you and model your description, because remember, success leaves clues. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.